Imagine if someone took the same photographic techniques and principles and tools used by today's top pro photographers, but they applied those same techniques to shooting with the iPhone. Imagine the type of images that you'd be able to create using those same ideas. Well, that's exactly what I did in my brand new book. It's called the iPhone Photography Book. You're going to learn exactly what the pros use to create those incredible images. And when people see your shots with the iPhone, they're going to go, I cannot believe you took these with your phone. But with the quality of the iPhone's camera and what they're doing with the iPhone software, you can absolutely take amazing pictures. In the book, I leave all the techno speak out, and instead I treat the whole book as if it were just you and I out on a shoot together, just you and me with our iPhones, and I'm there for just one reason, to help you unlock the power of your iPhone, so that you make pictures that when your friends and family look at it, they go, wait, you took this? That's what the whole book's about. You'll learn which tools to use to make pro quality portraits in any lighting situation. You're going to learn how to create stunning landscape shots that will make people swear that you took that with an expensive DSLR or a mirrorless camera. You're going to learn proving posing techniques that flatter your subject and make anyone you photograph look their very best in every shot. You're going to learn how to organize, how to edit your photos like a pro, and you're going to learn the pros tips for making amazing shots of everything from flowers to product shots, from food photography to travel and everything in between. And if you're ready to start taking these pro-level shots that blow people's mind, then this is the book for you. It's in print and all the ebook formats, and you can get it directly from the publisher at rockynook.com, or you can pick up your copy wherever fine books are sold.